Hi guys, today my name is Veggie Gaming 85.
What could that be?
I got something from Target, but it's actually from Blox Fruits.
And I'm his sister. Subscribe for me and him.
It's the Dragon Ultimate Bundle I just got for $70.
Let's start open this baby.
Let's open it.
Let's open it by 1, 2, 3.
3!
2, 1. There's so many black bags. Here, I'll do this one. Here. What is this? Oh!
It's a dino fruit! It's a dino fruit!
Look how cute!
What this is? It's a Katuda fruit! It's a Katuda fruit!
Guys!
These are my codes. These are my codes.
Look at these holes!
Let's see what this is. It's a dragon fruit plushie. Dragon fruit. It's a what fruit? It's a what fruit? It's a what fruit?
That means it gets love.
It's a what fruit?
Now, let's do the last one.
It's a what fruit?
Oh, these bags are tough.
It's a what fruit? Dino fruit and the Katuna fruit.
Actually, this looks like an axolotl.
That's not. This looks like an axolotl.
Yes.
It's a baby dragon fruit. It's a baby dragon fruit.
It's so cute. So cute. Now, let's open it.
Let's open this.
Yes. You got cards.
This is a diamond fruit card, dragon fruit card, and the Katuna fruit card.
Let's put the ones we have under it. Okay, we got this. And this. Yay!
This is the
That is so cool.
Blox fruits are the dragon fruits. Not the dragon fruits.
Cute.
The dragon fruits.
That is so cute. Now,
I'm glad I got these.
Now let's see for the next video from this. Bye. See you in the next video. Click that subscribe button.
Click that subscribe button.